excited to teach you the next consonant sounds. The sound of R, R, and the sound of T, T. Get ready. Hi, here now are the two initial consonant sounds that we will study. Listen very well. We have letter R, R, and letter T, T. Are you ready? Okay, we'll start with the sound of R, R. The first word is rat. Rat. Rat is a small rodent larger than a mouse that has a long tail and is considered to be harmful. Rat. The word is rat. The next word is rip. Rip. Again, rip. Rip means to pull apart, to tear, or be torn violently and quickly. The word is rip. Rip. Again, rip means to pull apart, to tear, or be torn violently and quickly. Rip. The next word for letter R, is rich. Rich. Rich means having a lot of money or valuable possessions. Everybody wants to be rich. 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 Rich means having a lot of money or valuable possessions. The word is rich. And the last word for letter R, is raft. Raft is a small or a flat buoyant structure of timber or other materials fastened together, used as a boat or floating platform. Raft. Raft. Letter R, for raft. Raft. A flat buoyant structure of timber or other materials fastened together, used as a boat or floating platform. Remember the sound of R. R. We now proceed to the next letter. This is the initial consonant sound of T. T, 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 T. The first word that starts with letter T for our example is top. T, top. Top means the highest place or part. T, top. The highest place or part. T, top. The next word is tap. Tap. T, tap. Tap means to hit something gently and often repeatedly, especially making short, sharp noises. T, tap. Tap. Tap means to hit something gently and often repeatedly, especially making short, sharp noises. Tap. The third word for our example is t, tall. T, tall. Tall means of more than average height or of a particular height. Again, the word is tall. T, tall means of more than average height. T, tall. The last word for letter T is tip. T, tip. Tip is usually pointed, or the usually pointed end of something, like the tip of a pencil. It is a small piece or part serving as an end or point. Again, tip. T, t, tip. Tip is the usually pointed end of something, like the tip of a pencil. Tip. T, tip. All right. So, again, let us review the sound of R and T. R. 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 And letter T. 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 Again, letter T. 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 Get excited because our next lesson is reading helper sounds. Thank you very much. All right. I hope you will be able to master the sounds of R, R, and T. Please find time to master the sounds of the consonant letters that we have already studied. And of course, the vowel sounds. Because in our next meeting, I will teach you blending of letters. Thank you, and God bless us all.